I was just there holding my eye like, oh my gosh. So for my outfit, I'm gonna be wearing this pink top I got from Old Navy and these black soft pants. Okay, should I do the jeans? And I need to fix my hair because my hair is a mess, like literally. Jeans look hey guys, this week is just so easy to put on and just like do. Doesn't take much effort. I love that for me. The front look a bit dry. But this is nice. I've been wearing this wig like non-stop. These socks are so, they're so dirty.
That's a lot of wind.
Yeah, I agree. More wind.
Actually, maybe we should do less wind.
Cut the wind. Cut the wind.
It felt big. It felt over the top.
Again. I can't believe our first day in my thing. Emre, come on, pretend like you're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I can't.
I knew it.
The only way to stop it was to make everyone forget about me. Because I'm not just Peter Parker. I'm Spider-Man.
Ow, Frank! You just hit me with a van!
Did you?
Gosh, where should I sit? Right here. Can you guys see me? Oh my gosh. The lighting is just not it. Wait, there we go. Like, I should get my microphone. Okay guys, so I'm back home. As you can see, I'm sitting down and I'm ready to give my thoughts on the Michael Jackson movie. First, let me say it was a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm not gonna not give any spoilers or anything, because if you haven't seen it, you should definitely go and see it or whatever. But I feel like the only thing that I have a problem with is it wasn't long enough. Like, it could have been so much longer. I loved how they like showed his childhood and whatever and all of that, but I wanted more of, like everything else. Like, I know they can't do his whole life in one film. Well, I don't know. I don't know if that was possible. But I feel like if they're gonna do a part two, like it needs to be long. Like, come on, it needs to be so much longer. But that was really, really good. The way they did it, I feel like they did a good job. Like Jafar Jackson, he did a good job. It was perfect. It was great. However, I am back home and I need to prepare myself for the week because, I need to make sure that I have everything done for the week. I don't know, I don't have much laundry to do, but I think I want to like wash whatever clothes that I have there. I don't want to leave my clothes for like too long or it's gonna get too much and then I'm just gonna have like so much clothes to wash. I need to vacuum as well, but it's kind of too late to vacuum because it's like it's 7:10 and you gotta be considerate of like other people here. So I'm gonna leave the vacuuming, but I just have like a few things to put away and just tidy up a bit. But I need to start my laundry. You guys, please remind me that I'm doing laundry. Let me set a timer. Hey Siri, 1 hour and 21 minutes. Oh, I wore them, but they're not dirty. There. Oh, this is not dirty either. I brought this to the movie theater for inside because it was 83 today. It was 83 degrees outside today, and that I am so happy that like summer is coming up because I was beginning to get tired of that winter. Like the winter, it was just not for me. It was good at the start, but then I don't know, it's not that I don't like winter. Like, it's really nice, especially like the snow part and whatever, but I guess I just miss home. Like, I miss the warmth and everything. I definitely was not enjoying the winter at all. I got these cluster lashes. Oh, you cannot see. So I got these cluster lashes from Amazon because I wanted to do some cluster lashes and whatever, but for some reason I just cannot get into cluster lashes because it's just so hard, and then you have to get the mapping right because if you don't get the mapping right it doesn't look good, and then I just don't have the patience to deal with it. And then the first I feel like I'm just saying a lot of things at once, but the first time I tried to do cluster lashes, like I nearly poked my eye out, I nearly juggled my eye, like, and you would never guess what happened to me. Like one of the cluster lashes literally fell on my like the white part of my eye, and I was like, oh my gosh, I was about to die because, but it eventually came up because like you can just wipe your eyes and like whatever is there will eventually get out. But I was so scared, and I was just there holding my eye like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I got some cluster lashes, and my next thing with cluster lashes is the fact that they're not staying on. Like the glue that they sell with the lashes does not work. The glue they sell with the lashes does not work. I see it the one time I put it on, like just make sure you adjust the idea when you want it for, because you see by the next day the whole of them gone, all of them gone. So I also bought this eyelash glue. I did some research on TikTok and people were recommending this glue, and then there's another one completely like it don't come off. So this was the safest when I did my research. I don't know, but I don't know when I'm gonna be doing cluster lashes, but whenever I do, you guys will definitely see. What's this? Okay, so I got this water wave here because I have this hairstyle in mind. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. Like I just want you guys to see it whenever I eventually do it, which might not be anytime soon. Like I don't know, like do you know when you like get the urge to do something like impulsively, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna get that, you get it and you just don't do it. Like I don't know. But yeah, those are just a few things that I got from Amazon. The angle of this thing is gonna be terrible, so I just have to wait for my clothes to finish washing and drying and whatever, and then I gotta fold those. And oh, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was my scoliosis. Like if you have been following me for a while, you know that I have scoliosis. When I went to the doctor, he called it idiopathic scoliosis or a mild scoliosis, whatever it is. Like you can see right here, like this part of my side is more curved, and my posture and my balance is just off. And I wanted to talk about this because I got this random back pain, and I don't know, but it doesn't affect me that much, but I am scared because I don't really know like the effects that this is gonna have on me. And the thing is, I was supposed to go back to the doctor like 1 year after I found out, and I never went back. Like there was no follow-up or anything. I think I found out when I was 16 because I did a went for my medical checkup for school, and like when I was in the doctor's office, she was like, your posture is off, and she told me to like bend a little bit, and then she just ran her hand. Why am I giving all these details? Anywho, she basically said, oh, you have a mild scoliosis, and she was asking me if I felt any pain and whatever. I was like, yes, I do feel pain, but it's whenever I stand up for long periods and whatever. I don't remember what she said, but yeah, she sent me to do a x-ray and all that. I did the x-ray. The doctor told me that it's not bad. And he said it's not bad, and it won't really affect me much unless I put on a lot of weight. He said that it won't affect me that much, but I get so scared because I'm like, what if it got worse? Because I never went back to do my second checkup to see if anything changed. Because what he did, he gave me a CD with my x-ray on it so I could view it. Well, it was for me to bring to the doctor, but they let me keep the CD, and I don't know where that is. It was in my old room. I don't know where it is. I hope that I can eventually find it. Like, can I go back to my dad's house? Yeah, it's super scary because I don't know. I try not to think about it because if I think about it too much, I cry. So I'm like, oh my gosh, why did this have to happen to me? And what caused it? Like, I have absolutely no idea up to this day what could have caused it. I don't know. Maybe it was just my posture overall. Like, I always, like, maybe sat weird, stood up weird, or something. I don't know. And when I used to go to primary school, I used to carry these really heavy bags. Like, my bags used to be heavy with all of my textbooks and my writing books and all them books that I don't use at school. So it's like, I don't know what really caused it, but I definitely need to go do a follow-up at the doctor to see if it changed. When it comes to that, I don't remember the doctor that I went to. I don't remember where the place is and whatever for him to actually give me a follow-up of like my last visit. And that's the other thing. Like, I don't know. I don't remember where I went when I stopped there. But if I cannot figure it out, I'm just gonna have to go somewhere else and let them tell me if there's anything wrong. I'm gonna have to try and find that CD just in case I need it. I don't know. Like, how are they gonna tell me if anything changed if I don't have my previous records? But yeah, that's basically. And you know, by the time I found out, like I said, I found out when I was 16. And by that time it was too late for me to actually do anything about it because it was going to take like super long to heal. And I don't know, the doctor was asking me if my finish grow, like if I'm gonna grow anymore. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna grow anymore. Scoliosis, like, it hasn't bothered me in any way other than the fact that it's there. That bothers me. But I haven't really had any issues with it, and I don't wish to have any issues with it. It's just that sometimes when I look at myself and I look at and just my posture, I'm lean, and I don't like that. I really don't like that. I need to go and do a follow-up on it because that pain that I felt just a while ago just reminded me that, oh my gosh, you have scoliosis. Because sometimes I don't even think of turning back on because I wanted to finish editing this video from, like, I had this video in my drafts for so freaking long. Like, first of all, let me show you guys. Like, but I never got around to posting this. I wasn't gonna post it because I didn't like it and I didn't get as much footage, but I've been going down a rabbit hole to just like start posting on my YouTube channel more, and I'm like, I need to like create my videos because I'm telling you, each time I don't post, like, how should I put this? These are memories for me being over here and all that, and for the things that I do record, I do want to like share with you guys. So yeah, I'm just like going through editing all the videos that I made and was not gonna post and posting them. So